Do you know what happens if it does not rain for a long period? Let's begin. Can you imagine what would happen if it does not rain in a region for a year or more? The soil continues to lose water by evaporation and transpiration. Since it is not being brought back by rain, the soil becomes dry. The level of water in ponds and wells of the region goes down, and some of them may even dry up. The groundwater may also become scarce. This may lead to drought. That's all. Hey guys, this is Verlin and you're watching Learn to Remember.